Yo, what up? It's that morning time again for another quick little update. I can't stop talking, man. That's why I got divorced, I think. That's one of the reasons. There's many little reasons, you know what I'm saying? But that's one of them, you know. He talks too much. He doesn't shut up. That's what she said. Anyway, um, so here's XLE. And you see this 51.6 here, baby. We gonna go for it today. It looks like maybe. We already traded 24 million shares. We'll see what the start of the day. Whew, we got 3 more hours to go. See if we don't hit a million shares before trading even starts or something. I haven't analyzed those trends in a while, so I can't tell you what's good and what's not until actually trading starts. Um, it's been a minute since I've done this type of analysis, but anyway, so yeah, today. So on the docket for today, my guess is we test this 51.29, and if we don't, and we just trade sideways again, that's good. That's good too. That's good too. That is really good too. We're just building cores. We're building momentum, bringing in the buyers. That kind of stuff. I wanted to look at the other ETFs that I follow. By the way, here's my positions. That's what I got. No, these are my positions. This is my account info. Proof is in the pudding, baby. If they ain't showing you the numbers, they ain't showing you nothing. Yo, all right, check it out. So diamonds, the Dow Jones, crazy, whatever. It's this one that I want to talk about. The Russell 2000. iShares of the Russell. Yo, how is this not in the toilet right now with the pandemic? I was trying to make sense of it a little while ago while I was creating motion, making motion to create emotion, clear my head, think a little better. But the only thing I can look and real quick, the big picture. Look at we're overbought on the monthly here, and we've been somewhat overbought on the weekly. They all like that? Yeah. Anyway, my point is, I'm gonna have to check them all. My point is, the Russell 2000 is small businesses. I used to drive around ride sharing on Long Island, all over Nassau and Suffolk County, and I saw so many open malls with for rent signs. The people are just packing up and leaving. You know what I'm saying? What could explain that? They took PPP money. Did they take paycheck protection money? And they're still in business, but they don't. It's not a what do you call that? It's not a store. It's not a storefront anymore. It's not a storefront anymore. They just they went technical. They're doing deliveries now or something. That's the only way I can make sense out of it. You know, to explain how this Russell 2000 isn't in the toilet. Um, anyway, that's that. So let's look at the diamonds, man. We at highs. We're at highs. We're at highs. It's trading sideways. It could be distribution. It could be distributed. We're overbought on the weeklies, and we're almost overbought on the monthly. Those are slow moves. Those are slow turns downward. We do for a correction, but it could go a little higher. And then my other Qs. Let's check the Qs. Ooh, look at the Qs. Beautiful. It's already going down. It's already correcting. Qs already correcting. Already off the highs. And it's got good range here. Qs is good. Yeah. Qs are good. It's the leader. Is this the leader? These finance folks, these money folks, they don't understand technology, man. You gotta watch out with them. They used to have the CIO report to the CFO like that was, like the CIO wasn't important. All these old schoolers. That's my take on it. I gotta say it the way I see it. Watch these folks. They don't know technology. They wasn't programmers. They wasn't administrators. They wasn't engineers. They just moving money, CPAs and all of that. Anyway, um, so look at this. Oh my God, crazy overboard. Crazy overboard. Yo, this looks like it wants to go to 273. The Qs on a monthly. So that's gonna take a couple of bars to get down there. At least 300. At least 300. Yeah, look this right here. Here we go. Where's this low? This low, 297. Where's that at? Right here. It wants to get to. It looks like it wants to go down to here, and then bounce off of it probably. Yeah, that's probably what it'll do. We got mass stimulus in there from the Trump and Biden administration, pumping mad stimulus in there. There's mad money. People got their pockets full. We just waiting to open everything up. And this is where you put your money at. This is where you put your business. This is the business. This is what. Yo, you gotta use your own head. Tom Brown is my teacher, but I use his system and apply it to my own analysis. I don't wait for him to throw me a fish, and so it's on you to educate yourselves. If I'm not talking to anybody, at least I'm talking to myself in the future, or maybe just to my children. Real talk. All right, so the Q's already correcting. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Good job, Q's. You know what I mean? And my favorite, the SPYs, the S&Ps. Here we go. This is a little more telltale. Well, they can manipulate this too. They can manipulate this too. Yo, this is crazy. Up. This is crazy. Up. Shit is crazy. It's not my favorite. It really isn't. Not anymore. Not since the last time I was trying to do this full time. I'm talking about 2009, 2010. I was like, yo, how is this going up? The powers that be move it. That's why the Obama administration, they learned. Make sure the stock market is good. It gives a good impression. They don't want to let things fly like it's supposed to fly. Anyway, that's my take on it. That's my opinion. That's my hypothesis. What is the two biggest ExxonMobil? This is the holdings. Zoom out a little bit. What's going on here, baby? Did it hit that already? 59.48. Oh, 59.5. It did. It hit it. It hit it and closed under it. 59.19. 59.19. 59.19. 59.19. Oh, it was where's the volume? What's the volume on that? 27.318. 23. That's already a failure. That's already a failure. Oh, what does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Yo, that's a failure, dog. ExxonMobil already tested. What is CVX doing? And this is how you do proper analysis, to a certain extent. What is CVX doing? CVX didn't test it. Are we going to wait till CVX tests? CVX didn't test. It didn't test. But ExxonMobil did. Oh, snap dizzles, kid. We might just wait. We might just test and then fail like ExxonMobil did. What's ExxonMobil doing? ExxonMobil is up. It's up a lot too. Crazy. Powers that be want higher prices. Yo, you know, we could be just going for these gaps. You know, we're just closing gaps. There's a gap right here for ExxonMobil at $60.39. Yeah, but ExxonMobil doesn't necessarily close gaps very easily. I know XLE. XLE is better at closing gaps. Anyway, let's go back to oil. What's oil doing? What did oil do? Oh man, oil's going for the highs. Oil is going for higher highs. 67.98. Did it get there? Oh, that's a small bar. No volume. Oh, baby. Yeah, but ExxonMobil is what percentage of the XLE? Let's analyze that real quick. Analyze that. Let's see what we got. Trade, analyze. ExxonMobil is 22% and Chevron is 21%. That's big. That's a big weight. That's a big weight, but it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. They could all be, you know, doing going up or whatever. So yeah, today would be a good telltale sign. You know, if we test it and it fails, I would cautiously. What would I do with my positions? If we get up on the XLE, if we get up above 51.29 and then we close under it, it looks like it's going to close under it with a lot of volume. What I'm going to do? I might close some URX maybe. Would I? Would I though? Yeah, maybe a small amount, 5 shares. 5 shares and pump it into EOY. 5 shares would be like $125 or so. You know, $125, and then I would buy like, you know, 5 shares of EOY. You got to baby step it. The pennies count. The pennies count. All right, that's my time for now, yo. Anyway, can't wait till the trading starts. I'm up for the day supposedly, but that's because EOY isn't moving yet. $101 on ERX, 0 on EOY, but EOY is it's my biggest weight, so it'll drop. All right, talk to you soon. Stay tuned.